Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Under this chemical bonding and molecular structure, today we are going to discuss one simple topic called formal charge. How to calculate the formal charge of the ions. So we know that in the case of polyatomic ions, the net charge is possessed by an ion as a whole and not by a particular atom. For example, SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, here the 2 minus represents the overall charge of the sulfate ion, not considered by the individual atoms. So the overall charge of the sulfate ion is 2 minus. But in the case of individual atoms, how to calculate the formal charge? Normally the formal charge is nothing but the differences between number of valence electron in an isolated atom and number of electron assigned to that atom in a Lewis structure. Number of valence electron present in the concerned atom and number of electron assigned to that of atom in a Lewis structure. The differences between these two things gives the formal charge of the concerned molecular ion, that is polyatomic molecule. The simple formula for calculating the formal charge is Fc is the formal charge of a molecular ion, V minus L minus 1 by 2 into S. V is the total number of valence electron in the free atom. So what are the atoms participate in the particular molecule? So that is the number of valence electron present in the concerned atom. L refers to total number of lone pair of electron present in the concerned atom. The lone pair of electron means that electron does not involve the bond formation. And S is the total number of shared electrons, that is number of electrons involving the chemical combination, number of electrons involving the chemical combination. So counting is based on the assumption that each atom owns one electron of each bonding pair and both the electrons of the lone pair. So now we consider the ozone molecule. The molecular representation of the ozone molecule is described as it consists of 3 oxygen atom. 3 oxygen atom, each atom consists of 6 electron present in their valence cell. First I consider the central atom. Central atom oxygen is assigned as number 1. First I find the formal charge of the central oxygen atom. So this formal charge of central oxygen atom, this oxygen containing only one lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron does not involve the bond formation. It consists of, or it surrounds by 3 bonds. Here 2 double bonds and here 1 single bond. Totally 3 bonds are present. So for the forming the each bond, it shares, or each bonds associated with this oxygen molecule is totally 6. So normally 6 electron present in their valence cell. How to find out the formal charge? Formal charge of oxygen 1, that is equal to, first of all, formal charge of oxygen 1. Formula V minus L minus 1 by 2 into S. That is V is equal to 6 minus L lone pair of electrons 2 minus 1 by 2 into share pair of electron, that is also 6. 6 minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to plus 1. So the formal charge of oxygen 1 is equal to plus 1. So this is assigned as plus charge, plus charge. Similarly, in the case of second atom, formal charge of oxygen 2, that is equal to V minus L minus 1 by 2 into S. So here also the valence electron 6. It consists of 2 lone pair of electrons. Therefore 4 minus 1 by 2 into and the bond pair of electrons. Here also bond pair, it surrounds by 2 bonds. Therefore 4. 6 minus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Formal charge of second oxygen atom is 0. And similarly, the formal charge of third oxygen atom. Formal charge of oxygen 3 is equal to V minus L minus 1 by 2 into S. Valence electron 6, lone pair of electron, it consists of 6 lone pair of electrons, that 3 lone pair of electrons. Therefore, 6 minus 1 by 2 into it associated with or shared electron pairs consists of only one bond, that is equal to into 2. So 6 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. The formal charge of oxygen 3 is minus 1. So this is the way to assign the formal charge. So it may be formal charge helps in the section to find out the lowest energy structure from the number of possible Lewis structure of a given molecule or ion. So in general, the lowest energy structure is the one which has lowest formal charge on the atoms. So I hope all this understood by each and every people. Similar way, you can find out the formal charge of COCl2. You may practice in your home how to find out the formal charge of COCl2. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.